Here comes some rain. It'll pass. It's not going to be big. Hey, come over here.
Oh my God.
Should we get off? Get in here. God, I should have brought my rain jacket. I don't know what I was thinking.
I almost brought mine.
This rain's going to change the barometric pressure and the fish will get more active. This is like perfect time. You got one? There you go. Reel. Did it come off? Okay, hold on. I'm coming. You haven't seen it? Is it bit? Okay, now grab it by the mouth. You know how to do it. Hell yeah, babe. Taylor already kicking my butt, as usual. Nice.
Yay! You get a picture of me?
Uh-huh. Good work. It's in there good. That's exactly where you want to hook it too. It's nice. Okay, come here. Grab it here. You got it. Tight. Release it. Good work. Did it bite hard?
Which one? Yeah. Oh, that was fun!
I have yet to catch a fish in Georgia. Taylor comes out here and just catches one right away. Unbelievable. God. Why can't I catch a damn fish? You see that fish right here? Or that's a turtle. That's a turtle. So it's funny to me that every time you and I go fishing, I set up 2 rods, the 2 ways that I think we should fish. Like my strategy is to set up the 2 rods in the best rig, obviously. And I always have 2. And yours is always the better one. I usually, like this time, I chose
set us up the same rig.
Well, that's the thing. I want to see if we're on a pattern though, because I'm fishing a drop shot. I thought this was gonna be the better rig today. So let's see, if you catch another one before me, I'll switch to a Texas rig, but I feel like this should be the better rig.
Honestly, I think it's the skill.
It might be. I mean, I don't know what you're doing differently.
I think it's that I want it more.
God. Well, biggest fish today wins. Look at that wife material. Nothing. I got it. Freaking dropped my fishing pole when I fell in, getting back into the canoe. We're soaked from a massive storm. My canoe is full of water.
Then I emptied the water.
Then I got back in and my pole fell out about 3 feet deep of water. Just found it. Bad luck for me today, folks, as usual. And now I'm stuck in a tree. God. Jesus. There goes my bait. God. What a day.
What?
Broke my line. Collin, Randall Outdoors. Fishing out here in the Georgia woods. At a smaller lake right here in northern Georgia. And I've missed you guys. I missed YouTube. Been busy with work, trying to learn fishing spots. I think I found a winner here. This is the first place that I've been where we've actually caught a fish. But right when I'm getting used to Georgia, Anheuser-Busch has decided to move me to Houston. So I'm moving to Houston in 2 weeks. Got one. Yeah. It's a little guy. Collin, Randall Outdoors, world's best small fish catcher. Best on YouTube. Best small fish catcher on YouTube, folks. Collin, Randall Outdoors. First Georgia bass. My luck is changing now. Got one.
You did?
Oh, it came off. Damn it. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, it tugged. It's bigger than the other one.
Than mine?
No, than mine for sure.
Aw.
This might be the biggest. I don't know. I don't know. Bass number 2.
You want me to come get a bed?
No, that's good. All right, second bass here in Georgia.
Is it bigger than mine?
No, I don't think so. Bass number 2 for Taylor.
Yay.
Grab it.
He's freaking out.
Grab him by the mouth.
No.
You got it.
Ah! I don't
Just
want to.
you got to grab it. No, you got to grab it.
Collin, he's like literally freaking out.
You do it quick. Grab him by the mouth. He's gonna right when you grab him, he's gonna freak out. But just hold him by the lip.
No, come here.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
Come on. Just grab him. Grab him.
Collin. No. He's gonna freak out.
Do it.
And I'm gonna drop him. Please just come over here.
Hurry. You got it.
No. I can't.
Okay, now grab him. Hard. You gotta hold it. Thumb down. You got it. Do it.
I got it.
Okay. Now he might freak out. Just don't let him do it. There you go. There you go.
Fish number 2.
Each of us got 2 fish now.
Sorry.
Good work.
Ugh, I hate when they freak out.
You just gotta grab them, and they're gonna freak out. But you got once you hold them, you're fine. Yeah.